Today we are going to start our lessons on Django development. So I've opened a folder in VS Code called Today. So I'll log in and start my development right now. So I'll begin by clicking Control plus tilde to open the Visual Studio Code command prompt or yeah, the prompt is open now. Now let me activate my virtual environment. Okay, there's a problem with the activation of my virtual environment because the folder in which I try to activate is not the folder in which I created the virtual environment. So I'll go a step backwards. I'll set location back and then I'll try to reactivate it again with the command virtual environment one scripts /scripts /activate. So this time around it's been activated. I'll now set location to my today folder. Good. So from now I'm going to start work. I've already installed Django, the Django app in this virtual environment. So I'm going to start entering the commands to develop my Django app. So I'll say Django admin start project today app. Today, okay, let me make it today project. Today pro. So this command is going to create a whole package in which my project for today will be saved or will be stored. So the name of my project is Today Project or Today Pro. So here it is, it's been created for me. Inside this Today project, there are some files and folders which is worth knowing. The Today Pro has in itself is a whole folder. Inside the folder we have other things. Inside this folder we have another folder called Today Pro and then a Python file called manage.py. This manage.py is what designates or is a sign that this Today Pro folder is a Python program. Please get this right. The Today Pro is an outer folder. If I say outer folder, let me use Notepad to MS Paint to explain something to you. Good. So let's say there's a folder like this. there's an outer folder like this called Today Pro. This one is called Today Pro. This is the outer folder. Good. Then we have another folder inside the Today Pro, which is also another folder inside the Today Pro, which is also called Today Pro. So what you observe is that the outer Today Pro bears inside of it another Today Pro folder. I hope you are okay with that. And then inside the main outer Today Pro, we have another file. This file, let me use something like a circle to demonstrate that one. I have a file like this. And this is the manage.py. Let's look at it this way. Manage.py. Manage.py. So this manage.py helps us to, or helps any system that will open or operate on this our program to identify it as a Python program. We have many different programming languages, but the py is the extension or a shortened form of the Python. So because of this py, whenever a program wants to read the Today Pro folder, it will become this manage.py tells this thing that gives us information that this is a Python folder. I hope that's okay. Let's go back to our main work. Okay, so now I'm going to navigate into my project folder. This is the outer one, this is the inner one. So I'm going to navigate into this one. So in this case, I'm going to move from, now I'm on in this over here, I'm outside here, outside this place. These are the colors. I'm here, now I'm here. It's a brush. Okay. Now I'm here. Now I want to move into this project folder. Now I want to move into this place. See, because there are some commands I can only run them from inside here. Inside here, because this manage.py is what I'm going to use to create most of the commands that I need. See, this manage.py, when I enter inside here, this manage.py will help me will help me to create many of the commands that will operate inside here on this folder. So let's get inside and see. Alright, so to get into the Today Pro, come to my command prompt and then cd Today Pro. Alright, so I'm inside Today Pro. So let's look at what is inside Today Pro. To get child item, enter. So inside Today Pro now, I have the Today folder and then the manage.py. Which is this? The same as this. Okay, so now let's look at what is inside the Today Pro. Today Pro carries or contains init underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py, ascii.py, settings.py, urls.py, urls.py, wsgi.py. All these files have various uses, which we shall learn about very soon. Thank you, my wonderful students. And today, also soon, we've come to the end of this day's recording. And God willing, tomorrow shall continue. Thank you very much. Bye.